Hey guys, welcome to the second video of the AWS playlist. In this video, I will quickly show you how you can create your own AWS account for free in just a few minutes. Okay, so my name is Mohit, you're watching DevOps Studio. Let's get started. So hop on to Google and type in AWS sign up. Open the first link and click on create a free account. Let me also zoom in a little bit so you can see better. Okay, so now it will ask you for an email address. So I'm going to put in my email address. Okay, then account name, it can be anything, right? Let's choose YT-channel. You can pick any name that you want. Click on verify. So it will send you a verification link on your email. Okay, so go to your email and confirm that. So the verification code I have is this. Click on verify. Now it's asking you to create a password. So let's create a password. There you go. Click on continue. Okay, so in the next page, it will ask you for a few personal details. For example, it will ask whether you are a business or you plan to use it for personal uses. So click on personal, then give a name. So I will put in my name here. Then it wants your phone number. So let me put that as well. Then select the country, India, address line, and click on continue. It also needs the city, the state, and the pin code. So let's put continue. Okay, so in the next page, it will ask you for the payment details. Okay, so here you can give any debit or credit card as long as it supports international transactions. So as you can see, AWS accepts most major credit and debit cards. So as you can see, it accepts Visa, MasterCard, Amex, RuPay as well, right? But make sure the international transaction is enabled. That is important. So after you put your card details, it will deduct $1 from your account for verification purposes. Okay. So after you have filled all this information, you can just click verify, enter your OTP for the payment. Okay, and then you will receive the confirmation that your account has been successfully created. So once your account is created, come back to the sign in page again and click on sign in. And then on this page, select sign in using root user email. So now we have to use the email address that we used while creating the account. Okay. And now put in your password. And now it's suggesting you to enable MFA and other security measures like setting up an authenticator app, right? So it's highly recommended that you do it, but for now I'm going to skip it. So finally, this is what a AWS dashboard looks like. Okay, so on the home page, it will show you all the high-level overview of different services that you're using and some cost and usage analytics as well. So let me give you a little walkthrough. Okay, so on the top right corner, you can see our AWS channel name, right, that we chose while sign up. And on the left of that, you see the region. Okay, so right now the region is selected as Stockholm, EU North 1. Okay, so let me select North Virginia 1. Okay, because that is the default regions for most of the people. Okay, and on the left of that you have the settings tab. Okay, we will talk about that later. Then you have a help section, you have notifications, you have a cloud shell, okay, which is a very important feature. We will talk about this in the later videos. The most important thing here is the search bar. Okay, so using the search bar, you can open any service you want. Okay, so for example, in the next video, we will be talking about IAM service. Okay, so go to the search bar and put IAM, click on it, and it will take you to the IAM service. Okay, it will show you everything related to IAM on this page, like IAM users, roles, policies. Okay, we'll talk about this in the next video. On the left of the search bar, you see we have this grid option. So this basically shows you the list of all the AWS services. Okay, the large plethora of AWS services As you can see, it is categorized into different sections. Like there are services for analytics, there are services for application integration, there are services related to compute. Okay, so let me go to the compute. So you will see that it will show you all the services that are related to computing. For example, the app runner, the famous EC2, right? The Lambda, the light sail. Okay, we will talk about most of the services in the upcoming videos. So in case you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and like this video if you like this video. And I will see you in the next video where I will talk about IAM. So see you there.